Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg over hard. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of butter or oil, and a non-stick pan. Next, place your pan on the stove and preheat it over medium-low heat for about 2 minutes. Once warm, add your chosen fat, like butter or oil, allowing it to melt and coat the pan's surface evenly. This preparation ensures a perfect start. Now it's time to cook the first side of your egg. Gently crack 1 egg directly into the center of your warm, buttered pan. Let it cook undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. During this time, you'll observe the egg white setting completely, turning opaque. The edges should develop a slight crispness, and the yolk will start to firm up, losing its runny appearance. This initial cook is crucial for texture. Once the first side is cooked, it's time for the flip. Carefully slide a thin spatula underneath the egg, ensuring you get the entire white. With a swift, confident motion, flip the egg over to cook the second side. Let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. To confirm it's truly over hard, gently press the yolk with your spatula. It should feel completely firm and solid with no give. This ensures no runny center. Congratulations, your over hard egg is now perfectly cooked. Once the yolk is completely firm, carefully remove the egg from the pan using your spatula. There's no need for further cooking. Serve your delicious, fully cooked egg immediately. It pairs wonderfully with toast, bacon, or as part of a hearty breakfast. Enjoy the satisfying texture of a completely solid yolk and crispy, well-done whites. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.